Welcome to Now in Android, a practical guide to Android design principles. In this series, we'll learn Android development best practices by leveraging Now in Android. In this video, we'll learn about the mechanism of UI element and UI state cooperation in Now in Android. First, let's recap the previous video. The UI layer of Now in Android is divided into three parts: UI elements, state holders, and UI state. UI elements display the UI state passed from the state holder. The state holder generates and updates the UI state. When an event such as a tap occurs, the UI element requests a change in the UI state from the view model, which is the state holder. When the UI state is changed, the UI element detects the change and redraws the UI. This process flow supports dynamic UI display. The UI state represents the data that should be displayed at that point in time. Now in Android, this processing flow follows the principle of unidirectional data flow. In this principle, UI state is always notified from the state holder to the UI elements. Also, UI events are notified from the UI elements to the state holder. For example, UI elements should not handle tap events on the spot and directly change the displayed content on the screen. What are the benefits of the UI element and UI state coordination we've been looking at so far? Why do we need to do this? By clearly separating roles, we reduce the burden on the UI. As a result, maintenance becomes easier and testing is also easier. If the data displayed in the UI and the data transformation processing are within the UI, it tends to be difficult to modify. Also, processing within the UI is often difficult to test. By adhering to unidirectional data flow, it becomes easier to ensure data integrity. Data will not be changed in unexpected places, and changes are limited to the state holder. Here are the references. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification. Stay tuned for more content on Android design and development best practices learned at Now in Android. So happy coding!